Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see turmeric price in major parts of India. Turmeric wholesale price in Tamil Nadu. Old turmeric wholesale price, Auction Mandi Perundurai. Turmeric finger minimum price 55 rupees 29 paise and maximum price 82 rupees 34 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric old bulb price 51 rupees 21 paise and 73 rupees 46 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1420 bags. New turmeric wholesale price. Auction Mandi Perundurai. Turmeric finger 65 rupees 69 paise and maximum price 90 rupees 93 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 63 rupees 99 paise to 79 rupees 69 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric wholesale price in Erode regulated market. Turmeric finger price 65 rupees 88 paise to 91 rupees 9 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 59 rupees 9 paise to 79 rupees 44 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 3444 bags. Turmeric wholesale price in Coimbatore. Turmeric finger price 80 rupees to 90 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 73 rupees to 75 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1000 kilogram. New turmeric wholesale price in Erode Society. Turmeric finger price 70 rupees 28 paise to 93 rupees per 1 kilogram. New turmeric bulb price minimum price 68 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 81 rupees 99 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1799 bags. Turmeric wholesale price in Gopisettipalayam. Turmeric finger price 68 rupees 99 paise to 85 rupees 99 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 65 rupees 7 paise to 78 rupees 59 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 389 bags. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in major parts of Andhra Pradesh. Auction Mandi, Dugrilla. Turmeric finger price 50 rupees to 71 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 48 rupees to 69 rupees 21 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 67,050 kilograms. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in Telangana. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Baginsha. Turmeric finger price 58 rupees 1 paise to maximum price 75 rupees 51 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 38,070 kilograms. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Jagtial. Turmeric finger price 41 rupees to 65 rupees 1 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price 30 rupees to 52 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1,56,000 kilograms. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Mahaboo Mansion. Turmeric bulb price 70 rupees to 90 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb arrival 8000 kilograms. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Nizamabad. Turmeric finger price minimum price 50 rupees to maximum price 88 rupees 81 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price minimum price 40 rupees to maximum price 75 rupees 86 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric arrival 8,41,600 kilograms. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Warangal. Turmeric finger price 42 rupees to maximum price 70 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb price minimum price 38 rupees to maximum price 66 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric arrival 27,000 kilograms. Turmeric price in Karnataka. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Bangalore. Turmeric stick minimum price 95 rupees to maximum price 140 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric sales 2000 kilograms. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Gujarat. Turmeric Auction Mandi, Surat. Raw turmeric minimum price 8 rupees to maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric sales 5000 kilograms. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. Thank you for watching.